Welcome to part 2 of Targa, Tasmania. This is part 2, so if you haven't seen part 1, go and watch that now. This is the start of the competition cars. This is the first car for the Target competition cars.
3, 2, 1, go! The first competition car leads.
Woo! Viper!
Yeah.
Again, Bruce is loving it, aren't you? Is this an evolution or just a modded Lancer? Woo! This looks like one of those funny American ones. Shelby. Lancia Stratos. Look at the pipes. Ah, yes. This one sounds a bit better, doesn't it? Another TTRS. What is this thing? Why is it in the competition? Answers now. I'm confused. Here it comes. Another Lotus. Evo, nice. Look at this. Nice. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.